Okay, I gotta do it again, guys.
Okay.
You gonna do it, Daddy?
What?
My intro?
I don't know what it was, but go ahead. Welcome to Sieee's Cook Show.
You gotta Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sierra and this is my family.
Hi there.
This is my sister, my brother-in-law, and my father.
Hi.
And they're going to be trying some vegan lasagna. They're all meat lovers. None of them are vegan. Have y'all had vegan meals before?
I have.
I had a vegan burger.
Oh yeah,
That
she
was
has
good.
studied vegan.
Mm-hmm.
Of course I have. I've tried some of yours.
Terrence is actually a chef, so that's gonna be interesting, a little intimidating. He said he was already judging me on the plating so far. And my sister's a foodie, and of course my dad is a foodie.
So which one are we going to try first?
Whichever one. You wanna try the meat one
Let's
first?
do the meat one first.
Which is the meat one?
That one.
This is the meat one?
Mm-hmm.
So
This one's the
this is
meat.
It has the
basically,
Beyond Beef in
beef,
it.
this is the Beyond Beef.
Yes.
Is this the meat one?
This is the meat.
So
Mm-hmm.
This one?
The one with the spinach and mushrooms is the veggie one.
So that's the meat.
okay.
This is really good.
It's pretty tasty. It tastes like
It's very good.
just like meat.
We have 5 stars so far.
5 stars.
Janet, what do you think?
My mom's in the background.
What do you think, Chef?
This is my favorite one.
The veggie one?
The really?
No, the beef.
No, the veggie one for me.
Really?
Yeah.
What do y'all think of the cashew ricotta?
I like the ricotta because it's light.
Yeah. 2 thumbs up from me.
Okay,
love.
chef.
Really.
This is really good.
It's
It's
really not hard
pretty-
to
it is-
make.
it is
It's just the
pretty good.
cheese, getting the, you have to like soak the cashews and then blend it all up into
I
like
was
a
going to ask you
cream.
that. How did you make the cashew cream?
It's like I soak them overnight, or you can at least for 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put them in the blender with like different seasonings.
Okay.
Nutritional
Blend it up.
yeast kind of gives it the cheese flavor.
Nice.
But I did like basil, oregano,
Oh,
like
yeah.
kind of the Italian
Like
seasoning
fresh
in it.
ingredients.
Mhm.
I'm gonna say the vegan one is pretty good, but I like the beef one better.
You like the beef?
Well,
Is it okay with the red sauce? It's not too much, or?
I think it's great.
No, I don't seem to be on too much red sauce. It's
Not at
pretty
all.
even good on that.
yeah, the red sauce is good with that reduction with the wine.
You can taste it.
You can definitely taste the wine and the
Thanks,
sauce.
sis. She taught me that.
I'm sure this is really good.
I don't know about that, but the wine and stuff. I'm not a wine connoisseur, but I mean it's all good. I mean it's still
It is
good.
really
but
good.
like I said, I'm not a wine drinker,
Yeah.
so I can't say I'm tasting. What you said was Rosetta. Am I wrong?
You
Big
like the
one.
spinach one?
Terrence is picking off my plate.
Yeah,
Plenty more.
That's how good it is.
There's plenty
Seriously.
more.
That's how good it is.
How you feel after eating
I
it?
still feel good. I'm not like
'Cause the
heavily
lasagna's so
full
heavy.
where it's like,
Mhm.
all right, I got all this pasta in me and it's like, I can't breathe, move.
Yeah. I mean, sometimes pasta makes you feel like that,
Pasta
like you
does
can't
make me feel
move.
that way.
we eat vegan, but we also like to put a steak in there. Me and my wife over there. The one that don't want to get in the camera.
I'm back here observing.
Well, my doctor always telling us to cut down on the meat size. Just have, you don't necessarily have to go vegan, but just have less meat.
Yeah, everything in moderation.
Yeah, everything in moderation.
You know, just cut it way back versus, you know, you having, I was like, well, Doc, I like just as much meat as I like vegetables.
Nice.
See, so far I have to say all your vegan meals have been good. There's probably been one that was probably wasn't really.
It wasn't your taste.
But most of them have been pretty good.
Good. They
They've
are
been in.
good. Anything
You
you
know.
can make non-vegan, you can.
Have y'all tried her
vegan
fried
recipe.
chicken?
You like that.
Listen, I was gonna ask you to make some. I really was.
That cauliflower she gave
I was gonna
you?
ask you to make some, but I didn't
I
want
gotta
to be
go get
extra.
some.
I didn't want. It's like, I didn't want to be extra.
You ever tried
She
that?
really, she was like, I would hire a butler to just make
Just to do cauliflower. just
Yeah.
to do fried cauliflower.
And
It was
bring it
so good.
when I come in.
Several ones she's done that's been real good. Like I will say that. I mean, we
You
may
like
not.
that soup one.
Yeah, we may not be just say we vegan, but
No, it's good. It's still. I mean,
You're still incorporating it in your diet.
Yeah.
So that's still.
yeah, it's like I tell her I am vegan, but I like me some meat too.
well, I cleaned my plate. It was delicious. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It was really good.
I'm glad y'all like it. Got the slow eater over here.
Always.
But you're enjoying it. I'm glad you like it.
Yay.
I'm glad y'all liked it.
Thank
No,
you
I've never
so
been a
much.
fast eater.
You liked it too, Mama?
2 thumbs up, everybody. 2 thumbs up. It's great.
What'd you say?
Me and Minty got one last time we flew.
What'd you think? Perfect? So every time I make this lasagna, I end up with half of a pan because people get seconds. And he wants some to go.
This is excellent, 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 excellent. Thank you.
What?
You do that one next?
Okay.
Your father loves it.
It's cauliflower, man. She fried up.
Wait. You thought you said fried chicken.
You don't feel too heavy and...
No, not at all. I could probably eat the whole pan.
I'm gonna post the recipe after this video, so subscribe so you won't miss it. And yeah, like this video, share with your friends. Comment down below what your family would say about a vegan meal. I don't know. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.